Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create Bitsgap trading account and what exactly features are available on that particular website. Let's check it out. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks or simply open here Google, new tab. This application is available Android and iOS also. Just you type here and enter the first link is display here. Bitsgap Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading platform. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency very easily. Look at this trading platform. So we start first of all sign up. I just simply click here sign up. As a sign up point of view, you need just only you add your email address and password, otherwise go with your Google account. So I go with my Google account here. I just simply account is ready here. Almost you don't have any connection exchange, please connect the at least one. You need to add any kind of wallet like in a Binance trading platform or other FTX or OKEX or Qcoin or BBox related wallet. You connect this wallet. So how you connect? You just simply open your Binance account. If you have created, copy your API key and security key and connect, and then that point of view you can exchange your cryptocurrency using both platforms simultaneously. So in this particular platform, look at this here, the graph are display here like a Bitcoin related, and Bitcoin price like US dollar like volume is very high. Couple of days like a 7 September Bitcoin price is like 52,000 US dollar. It's quite high, and nowadays reduced like a 45,000 price is reduced. So here is your profile. You extend the particular trial promo of this particular your profile like a basic three different criterias available here. As a dollar point of view, basic standard features you get like in $19 per month, advanced feature $44 per month, and pro unlimited trading opportunity for professional $110 per month. So some basic what exactly limitation of trading they are providing all informations here. Accordingly which plan is suitable for you, accordingly you select, upgrade your profile and invest your money. And you see here your portfolio. If you buy something, you invest something, so you look at here very easily like open order, position, history, notification, and here trading related concept, and here which wallet or which platform you are connected as a Bitsgap they are displaying here. It's quite amazing, and here available for the limit you can buy cryptocurrency and sell cryptocurrency. If you have something, you can buy or sell cryptocurrency using this particular platform. It's quite amazing and easy to sign up and connect very easily of any other third party platform, and then exchange your cryptocurrency and buy your cryptocurrency. It's quite amazing platform. You can do same process and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.